Hello and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to start your own telehealth business? In this mini crash course, we've got you covered. We'll explore the legal aspects of the telehealth business, how telehealth works, the costs involved, and how Voypost can help you succeed. Join us as we explore seamless virtual care delivery. Get ready to unlock the potential of your own telehealth business. Let's dive in and start building your success. So, why telemedicine is a profitable business after COVID-19? COVID forced healthcare providers to jump on the telemedicine bandwagon fast, leading to more investment and innovation. Telemedicine is booming now. It's all about getting healthcare services remotely through tech. With people avoiding in-person visits, telemedicine lets patients get care from the comfort of home. And guess what? This trend has sparked major industry growth. Experts even predict that telemedicine market could hit a whopping $185 billion by 2026. So, if you're convinced that telemedicine is a profitable business post-pandemic, stick around. We'll give you an overview and some juicy insights on how to build it. Now let's talk about how does a telemedicine business work. Telemedicine connects patients with healthcare providers through the online platform or app. The platform may include features such as video conferencing, secure messaging, and online appointment scheduling. Patients can use the platform to access medical advice, consultations, and prescription services. Here's a quick rundown of the steps involved. Create a user-friendly platform or app. Develop a secure and easy-to-use online platform or app with features like video conferencing, messaging, and appointment scheduling. Recruit healthcare providers. Partner with existing medical practices or hire licensed healthcare professionals who can offer their services through the platform. Ensure regulatory compliance. Comply with all relevant healthcare regulations to ensure the platform's security and legal adherence. Prioritize patient data security. Comply with regulations like HIPAA and build trust with patients. Develop a marketing strategy. Create partnerships with insurance companies and healthcare organizations and launch digital advertising campaigns to attract patients to the platform. That's it. With these steps, you'll be on your way to building your own telemedicine business. How much does it cost to open a telemedicine business? Telemedicine is an attractive business opportunity for anyone who wants to deliver healthcare services to patients remotely. However, starting a telehealth business requires significant investment and technology, software, and infrastructure. The cost of starting a telemedicine business varies based on several factors, such as the type of telemedicine services offered, the size of the team, and the technology used. The costs associated can be divided into the following: infrastructure and equipment costs. This includes the cost of building a HIPAA-compliant telehealth platform, purchasing medical equipment and software systems. Licensing and compliance costs. This includes obtaining necessary licenses, compliance with regulations, and certification. Personnel costs. This includes the cost of hiring qualified professionals such as doctors, nurses, and support staff. Marketing costs. This includes the cost of marketing and advertising their telemedicine services to attract patients. Overall, the cost of starting a telemedicine business can range from $80,000 to over $100,000. I bet you started to wonder how to reduce the cost of opening a telemedicine business. Well, one way to reduce the cost of starting a telemedicine business is to start with minimum viable product. An MVP is a basic version of the telemedicine website that can be developed quickly and with minimal investment. An MVP can be launched in a matter of a month and can help generate valuable feedback from early adopters. Starting with an MVP can help healthcare professionals save costs on infrastructure and equipment, as well as personal costs. With an MVP, the team can focus on the development only the essential features and functionalities required to provide telemedicine services, thereby reducing development costs. And, as you might have already guessed, here comes Voypost. Voypost is a company that specializes in providing technology solutions for businesses of all sizes, including those in the healthcare industry. Here's how Voypost can help you start your telemedicine business. One of the biggest challenges when starting a telemedicine business is finding and hiring the right developers to build your app. Voypost Talent Pool is a special tool that allows you to find and hire experienced telehealth app developers. You can browse a pool of talented developers and select the one that best matches your needs. This eliminates the need to spend countless hours sifting through resumes and interviewing candidates. Voypost Talent Pool offers the flexibility to hire telemedicine app developers on either a part-time or full-time basis and has just 30 days notice. This means that you can scale up or down as needed. Also, Voypost offers a range of valuable services to assist you in launching your telemedicine business. And if you need, we can also take the entire development process under our management. Our team of experienced professionals in healthcare industry is ready to provide guidance and support throughout the entire process. From business analysis to UX/UI design and telehealth app development, Voypost has the expertise to help you succeed. We can provide the support you need to thrive in the telemedicine industry. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time and hope you found this video on telemedicine useful. If you have any question or would like to learn more, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to more informative content. See you in the next video.